To assess how different milks and alternative liquids affect soap characteristics, I thought I'd run an experiment. I'm making a bunch of 100% coconut oil soaps, replacing 50% of the water content with a range of liquid substitutes and seeing how these additives affect the final soap. I'm Rox. Let's get cracking. I'm testing goat's milk in soap today. Comparing the labels of goat's milk and cow's milk bought from the supermarket, so not raw and untreated, you can see looking at these panels the difference is negligible. Goat's milk and cow's milk differ more in the amount of vitamins and minerals that are in them, but remember that heat destroys many vitamins, and any skin beneficial vitamins that do make it through the heat are going to be in such tiny percentages, which then get diluted by the water we use and then washed off our skin, so that they aren't worth talking about, and any claims about them nourishing skin are dubious. Goats just seem to have a better PR agent than cows, that's all in my opinion, and it's a great example of how our perceptions are manipulated through marketing. Anyways, enough said, let's get on with it. I pop the milk into the oil, blend it through, add the lye and whiz it up into a good emulsion. Off it goes into the mould and away somewhere safe to saponify. I'm unmoulding this after leaving it overnight. Like the cow's milk soap, it's pretty solid. It's a lovely smooth, opaque soap that's just off white in colour. Let me get my bowl of water and test this out. At this point, I can't remember the details of trying the cow's milk soap, but the goat's milk soap lathers right away with lots of medium-sized bubbles. Working up a proper lather, this easily gets nice and creamy, and my skin feels nicely moisturised afterwards. How do you think it compares to the cow's milk soap? I'm looking forward to seeing how this progresses as it cures, and I'll test it right alongside the cow's milk soap next time, in a couple of weeks after they've cured a bit. Okay, so there's the goat's milk soap. Thanks for watching and see you later. Ta-ta!